students, grade 9. Today we will complete our book Aim High 3. Our unit today, Unit 10, Lesson 1. It's titled Inspiration. Look at the word inspiration. Inspiration, we use it as a noun. It means the process of being mentally stimulated to do or feel something, especially to do something creative. We can use a person, we can use anything to make inspiration for us. We have here 3 questions before reading the text. Look at the photos at first and answer the questions before reading. Question number 1. What can you see in the photos? Number 2. Where have the pictures been made? And number 3. Which picture do you like best and why? Now listen to the text carefully.
Unit 10, page 85. Read. Exercise 1. Read and listen to the text.
Banksy. Banksy is the name of a popular urban artist from Britain. He has become famous for his street art, which has appeared on walls and billboards in London and in other cities around the world. However, no one knows his real name, his age, or where he lives. Journalists write stories about him, but never have any actual contact with him. He is regarded as a mystery, which is one of the main factors contributing to his success. The surfaces that he paints on are often incorporated into his work, and he makes clever use of street corners and brickwork. His striking images are meant to be funny, and they usually contain some comment about our society. Apart from his paintings, he has also claimed responsibility for a number of publicity stunts over the past few years. For example, in 2001, he climbed into the penguin area at London Zoo and wrote, "We're bored of fish," in 2-meter-high letters on the wall. In May 2005, he made a primitive cave painting showing a human hunting animals with a shopping trolley. He hung it secretly on the wall at the British Museum. The museum has since allowed it to stay there. He has also slipped several works onto the walls of 4 major New York museums, 2 of which remain in place. Nowadays, Banksy does some paid work for charities such as Greenpeace, but he refuses to work for big businesses or do advertising. He has also done a series of paintings based on famous works of art such as Monet's Water Lily Pond, except that Banksy's version has discarded shopping trolleys in the water along with the beautiful water lilies. He sells them to a small gallery in London, but you'll never see him there. Pavement Picasso. Pavement Picasso He has been creating amazing chalk drawings on the pavement for over 10 years now. He has worked in cities all over the world, from Brussels to New York. He works in chalk, so his art, which takes about 3 days to complete, can easily be destroyed by a shower of rain. The most important thing for him is to get a photo at the end before that happens. He usually puts himself in the painting when he takes a photo of his work. He first started pavement drawing with copies of famous paintings like the Mona Lisa in the streets of Europe. Then he started creating portraits of famous people. For example, when Princess Diana died, he did a portrait of her on a London pavement. But Beaver is most famous for his amazing 3D, 3-dimensional images. which he started doing a few years ago. These are drawn to give the impression of a three-dimensional object when you look at them from a certain angle. The effect is so convincing that pedestrians will swerve to avoid potholes he has drawn. He often does paintings depicting larger-than-life creatures and objects, such as gigantic lobsters or huge portable computers. He also painted Bill Clinton on a New York pavement when he became President of the United States. Some of his most elaborate 3D images show him diving into a swimming pool or being rescued from a burning building by Batman. Nowadays, Beaver is often paid by companies to advertise their products. On the pavement, he says, "My art is for anybody. It's for people who wouldn't go into an art gallery. It's art for the people."
Okay, if you wanted to repeat the listening as you like, now I want you to look at the yellow words here and try to search at your own dictionary to know their definition. Okay, in next video inshallah we will complete lesson 2 in unit 10. Thank you and goodbye.